Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today I'm finally sharing with you my furnished apartment tour. There's definitely still a few little final touches I feel like I could add here and there, but for the most part it's basically done, so I didn't want to put it off any longer. So let's start from the front entrance and I'll show you around. Hello there. Come on in. So when you first come into my apartment, behind you is the front entrance. I have a cute little welcome mat from Target. And then I have these hooks over here where I just hang some reusable grocery bags, my umbrella. Nothing too exciting over here. I do have this little garland with string lights on the railing. And I love these stairs that go up to the main part of my apartment. So, all right, let's go up the stairs. So as soon as you come up the top of the stairs, on the right, there's this little hallway that I like to call the cave because it's interesting, but it adds to the character of this place. So this first room here at the end of the little cave hallway is my filming room slash beauty studio. I didn't really decorate in here. I care more about having this room be functional than decorated. So in here I have my filming backdrop, lights, my tripod, all that kind of good stuff. This desk over here is from IKEA. I have the Alex 5 drawers and then just a tabletop with legs. In here is where I keep all of my beauty products, my everyday most used products. So I have hair stuff in this top drawer. In here I have face products. Down here I have eyes and lips. In here we have hot tools for my hair, and then the bottom drawer is all my nail stuff. And then up top, it's really a mess right now because I'm gonna be filming a fun project tomorrow, so just ignore all of that. But I just keep mirrors up here, all of my makeup brushes, my most used everyday lip products. It's perfect for filming. I love that it has windows all around, and the actual design and architecture of the windows too, I love, because it's just very unique, and again, it adds to the character of the room. Then the next room is the living room. I love this room. I was definitely the most excited to decorate this room, and this is probably the room that I spend the most time in. My goal with decorating this room was to make it feel bright and open and airy, but really cozy and comfortable at the same time. So I wanted to do a mixture of natural wood and wicker textures with white, black, cream, and then just have a little pop of color. I tend to always stay in my comfort zone when it comes to decorating. I like neutrals, whites, creams mostly. So I wanted to go a little out of my comfort zone and add some pops of color. So for the main pieces of furniture, the biggest, most expensive stuff, I stuck to my neutral tones. And then I decided to just add my pop of color with the curtains because they're really easy to swap out and they're not too expensive. So when you first come into the room, it actually has a sliding barn door, which is so cute. So then over to the right, we have this nice closet, which is a pretty good size. Nothing exciting. I just keep cleaning supplies, my vacuum, broom, that kind of stuff in here. I have a bin with extra decor, my Christmas decorations. Then over here, I have this really big basket from Amazon where I keep extra throw blankets. Then we have my TV stand, which is also from Amazon. Then we have my 43-inch smart TV. Above that, I have this little clock from Target. Again, the natural wood tones with the white. In the corner, I have this Majesty Palm. This is a real plant. When I moved in here, I knew I wanted a lot of houseplants, and this was my first one. I've had her for almost 2 months now, and I think she's looking pretty good. She's got some fresh new branches opening up, so that's exciting. And then the pot that I have it in is from HomeGoods, and again, I love it because it's white, it's simple, but it has that cool texture to it, which I feel goes with the whole theme in this room. Then we have my air conditioner, which is not the most aesthetically pleasing, but it's very necessary. These curtains are from Amazon. They were pretty affordable and I love the color. I know a few people in my past vlogs were like, please tell me those curtains are temporary. No, they're not. They are very intentional and I love them. Like I said, I wanted a pop of color. I wanted something that was still gonna fit with the overall aesthetic in this room. My couch, I absolutely love. I wanted something that was gonna be pretty affordable without looking super cheap and that would hopefully last me a decent amount of time. So I found this one on Wayfair, which now
children not included.
With all the controversy now, you know, I feel a little weird promoting them. But I do really love this couch. These pillows I got from HomeGoods. They did not come with the couch, but I feel like they go with it perfectly. This throw blanket is from TJ Maxx. This rug I feel goes perfectly with the couch and with the throw pillows as well. It's from Walmart. And then this coffee table is from Amazon. I have this little bowl in the center that's from Target. These coasters are from Target as well. And again, they just fit with the theme perfectly with the natural wood and the white. So then over here in this little corner is my little office nook, which I really wanted to have in the living room because I knew I was gonna spend most of my time in here and I figured if I have my desk in here, I'm more likely to actually sit here and do work. So it fit perfectly in this corner. The desk that I have is the exact same one I have in the filming room from IKEA. This chair is from Target, which I love. It just goes perfectly with the rest of the room and it's extremely comfortable. So I can sit here for hours editing and it's just really comfy. On my desk, I have this lamp, which is from Target. I have my little Polaroid camera and then this succulent. And then I also have my oil diffuser here, which is from Target as well. This mirror that I have on the wall above my computer is from HomeGoods. Although I'm very short, so I can't even reach to see myself in the mirror anyway, so strictly decorative purposes. Then over here I have this stool from IKEA, and then on top of it I have a snake plant. And then over here, this is definitely my favorite part of the entire room. This light fixture from IKEA. I just feel like it ties everything together. This was actually the last thing that I added to this room, and before I got this, it just didn't feel complete yet. So coming out of the living room, immediately to the right is the bathroom. It's very tiny in here, but I mean, it's perfect for just me. We have a stand-up shower. This shower curtain is from Target. So is the bath mat. It's funny because I said that I'm like mostly a neutrals girl, which is totally true, but this bathroom was already painted this blue color and I figured I'll just go with the colorful theme. Why not? So we have this bright yellow bath mat, the somewhat colorful shower curtain. This is my shower, nothing too exciting. I got this little shower caddy from Walmart to give me a little more storage. And then above the toilet, I got this rack from Wayfair. I have this wicker basket from Walmart, and in here I keep my blow dryer, my brush, my heat protectant, everything I use when I blow dry my hair. This fake plant is from IKEA. And then I have this little basket, which is super old. I want to say it's probably from TJ Maxx or something like that. I keep my washcloths and little like makeup removing pads in here. I have these little acrylic containers from Amazon where I keep Q-tips and cotton rounds and all that kind of good stuff. This basket is another one that is super old. I've had forever. I just keep my feminine products in there and then extra toilet paper. So then over here I have this medicine cabinet where I have all my skincare stuff, which is very exciting. I love that I can actually have all my stuff displayed out, easy to grab. I'm clearly a skincare junkie. And then down here under the sink, I just keep extra products, extra hand soaps, extra Q-tips, toothpaste, cleaning supplies, etc. Then out in this hallway, I have this rug from HomeGoods. Then I have this little table from Amazon. This basket is from HomeGoods. And then in there I have this Kimberly Queen fern. Then over in here is the kitchen. I didn't really decorate very much in here. I feel like this could still use some finishing touches, maybe another plant or something. But we have this little microwave cart, which actually came with the apartment. Ooh, I got these little soap dispensers from Amazon. So I have one for hand soap and one for dish soap. And it just, I don't know, it looks cute, and I feel like it looks a little bit like fancier and nicer than just the standard soap bottles. On the fridge, I put Polaroid photos. I got magnets. I like to get a magnet every place that I go, every like new place that I go. And then this little bookshelf thing is from IKEA. I used to have it in my old bedroom, and it actually works perfectly for just storing extra food. Then I have this table over here that is also from It comes with these cute little stools, and it's just the perfect size for in here. I'm gonna be honest, I don't really eat here, like ever. But it is nice to have. It fills the space up nicely and super cute. And this fruit basket is from Wayfair as well. Then the last room is my bedroom. I love it in here. It just feels really girly, open, but again, still really cozy. Still got a lot of those natural wood tones in here, combined with some black, white, and light blush. So this little bedside table is from HomeGoods. This container that I have up here, I don't really know where it's from. I want to say maybe Target or Walmart. I've had it forever. This artwork above my bed, both of these came together in a pack from Target, and I thought that they just went perfectly with the room. I love the frames, I love the tones, it just matches everything so well in here. My bed sheets are from Target as well. Again, I just love the texture, the light blush tones. The rug under my bed is from Walmart. Over here we have my dresser, which is from IKEA. I have this tray that's from Target. In here I keep all of my perfumes and body lotions, my necklaces that I wear on a regular basis. This little jewelry tray, I'm not sure where it's from. Maybe, I want to say Urban Outfitters. I just keep my everyday like earrings and rings in there. This little box I got in like a PR box from Makeup Forever, and I just keep my sunglass cases in there. And then resting on top of that is this beautiful circle mirror from Walmart. Keep a candle from Bath & Body Works up here. This little acrylic drawer is from Muji, and this is where I store all of my sunglasses, and I love it because I can have them organized by type and style, and I can also see through it, so it's just, I don't know, I love storing my sunglasses like this. And then these beautiful flowers, these were actually sent to me from the company Rose Forever New York. So these are actually real roses that are preserved, so they can last for at least a year. And they have a whole bunch of different bouquets to choose from, different colors, different box shapes. I decided to go with the ivory because I just thought that was really classic. If you guys are interested in getting some of these for yourself, I will have a link down in the description along with a coupon code to get $15 off. Then in this corner, I have this big mirror from IKEA. This plant stand is from HomeGoods. I got a snake plant in there. Then over here, this is definitely my favorite part aesthetically of the room. I have these hanging plants over here and my peace lily. This chair is super old from IKEA. And then over here I have this ginormous shoe rack from Amazon. I tried to keep my shoes kind of like tucked away so you couldn't see them when you first walk in because I feel like this is a little bit ugly. I definitely would like to get a different type of shoe storage at some point in the future so that they're not just out in the open. But this is nice because I can just see all my shoes. Then back here we have a closet, which I don't really use for too much. This is just kind of like my extra junk closet. I keep like soil for the plants and just extra sheets and whatnot in here. Winter and fall jackets are tucked back there too. Another beautiful light fixture from IKEA. I love this. When you have the lights turned on, it casts this beautiful shadow all over the ceilings, and it just adds to the cozy vibe in here. And then lastly, Probably the most exciting part about this apartment. When I saw this, that was it. I was sold. My walk-in closet. Some people might see this and think that it's average, but for me, this is practically the size of my old bedroom. So it's very exciting for me. I have tons of space for all of my clothes, and I love that I actually have everything out and I can see it all. So I feel like I'm able to wear my clothes more. And then back here, I just have these two set of drawers, and in here I just keep kind of miscellaneous things. I have like extra hair ties, little travel size things, my waxing tools, extra skincare, extra hair products, etc. In here I keep my fanny packs and my belts. Hanging on the door, I keep all of my jackets. And then I have this hamper from Target. And a lot of people were asking after my empty apartment tour, I said how there's this random door that's locked, and everyone was like freaking out, wanting to know what it is and what's behind the door. It's just an attic. It's just like extra storage. There's paint cans and that kind of stuff in there. And I even slid my phone under the door one day so I could like look with my camera to like really see what it was, and that's literally all it is. So nothing exciting. So that is it for my furnished apartment tour. I love it here, and this being my first place living alone without any roommates is just really exciting for me, and I love the way I have it decorated in here. It just feels really at home to me. I will have everything that I showed you linked down in the description, so go check that out. But that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
Well, like gratuitous ass shots, like just put it like.
This desk is the exact same one. Oh, what the hell is this? Oh fuck, now I have to redo that whole thing. I didn't even notice that there. So we got this bright yellow, oh my god, what is this called? Bath mat. So we have this bright yellow bath mat, and then above the toilet I got this rack from Wayfair. I have, what? Every time I say Wayfair you're gonna laugh. I have this little watering pot. Is that what this is called? Watering can?
I don't know.
Whatever. Should I show?
No, you don't need to. They can assume that you have plates and other.
Yeah, but people like detail.
Just put, yes, I have plates.
Then I have this table. Then I have this table over here.